The Idealic Inn is a family run homestay which is located in between the lush green snow capped mountains, having sunrise view, and is situated on the Sunag Road, 8 kilometers from the Manali city center and very close to the Salang Valley. One can see collapsed view of the lush green mountains on the left, right, and behind the cottages. The cottages are situated inside the apple orchards with beautifully carved garden, and the garden is right in the front of the cottages, surrounded by apple trees, and has a mini farm for growing vegetables for in-house cooking. The homestay has a cafe with betak, and its look is complete with warm mattresses, coal clean, small plants, natural lighting during the day, makes it a very comfortable place for doing the office work. The homestay also has a lot of open space for parking the vehicles and is a gated cottage with owner's family. You will always be surprised by the weather that keeps on changing. It's going to be apple season soon when harvesting will be conducted on 15th August, and the apple trees are right in front of the cottage. Apart from apples, you can even find pears and apricots in their farm. This farmstay has 3 cottages and one newly added riverside private room cottage. One of the cottage can be entirely rented. The rent varies between 6,000 to 8,000 rupees with 2 rooms, attached washrooms, drawing, dining, and open kitchen. The cottage we were in has 3 independent rooms on the first floor that can be used from a separate entry from outside. The ground floor of our cottage is again an independent full set accommodation with 2 rooms, drawing, dining, and kitchen, and it belongs to the owner. The third cottage is again an independent cottage that can be independently rented to the outsiders with single rooms and has the same set of structure and the setting that our room has. Now there is a separate kitchen for us to serve the hot, fresh, homemade food on everyday thali options and items prior to your demand. It's peaceful and refreshing here at the cottage, a perfect place for work from mountains with full Wi-Fi internet connectivity, 24 hours water supply, and 9 am to 9 pm running kitchen, and you can easily work for your office without any disturbance or ambient noises. The Manali Mall Road is accessible through highway 800 meters from the cottage. Local taxis are available for taking you to the Manali market, old Manali cafes, and other tourist places. Let's begin and show you guys what is it we never expected and that this place would turn out so beautiful and nature friendly. If you are coming like 2 families, this independent room cottage is the best. A common corridor entrance with independent door entries. That door is the family room, the right door is the small room, and the door to the left is the third room. The family and the small room has a common balcony. The family room has double size bed, side tables, very spacious, wooden floored, wooden ceiling, big size windows with mountain views on 2 sides, a common balcony, satellite TV, an almirah with drawers, kettle, side lamps, spacious, modern styled and beautiful bathroom with window view. The small room is built on the similar pattern. Let's just check out the small room. Now this floor goes up the attic room, which is completely wooden. Let me show you the attic room. Follow my page on Facebook with Travel Malt for photos and stills that I captured. Subscribe my channel, it really helps. I will put the details for this place in the description box. Check and visit them. Like and comment.